Hello friends, it's the Picklin Parson here, and today I want to talk to you about our Smokehouse meats. And in this new year, there are going to be a lot of neat changes for the Picklin Parson brand. But I want to talk to you first about some of our meats and our brines and our rubs and kind of what makes our Smokehouse meats a little special. And today we're going to be smoking some chicken breasts. And these chicken breasts have been brined in our Picklin Parson poultry brine, and they've been rubbed with our poultry rub. These are kind of signature and proprietary recipes that we have, and we're pretty pleased with all of them. All of our meats have a brine and a rub that accompanies them. So you can see the size of this this breast, and today we're going to be smoking about 30 of these chicken breasts, and they're going to be just wonderful. They're extremely moist because of the brine and also because of the temperature that we cook them to. But this is our brine that we use. You can see the color of it, and that's what we brine our chickens in for at least 2 days. And then this is our rub that we use on our poultry, whether it's a chicken breast or a turkey or a chicken. You could brine and rub pheasants as well, anything poultry. These two products really do help. Now I'm going to say that Monday, which will be the 3rd of February, we are going to start something we've really never done before with Smokehouse meats, and that is we're going to have sandwiches. And these sandwiches are going to feature our different Smokehouse meats. This particular chicken breast is going to be a part of our really wonderful recipe for chicken salad. The difference in our chicken salad is the brine and the rub and the smoke. And Destiny, who is a wonderful cook, chef really, she says that this is better than she's ever had, and people rave about her chicken salad. So I can't wait to eat one. We've got croissants, we've got wheat bread, white bread, we've got bruschetta buns, we've got gluten-free, we've got all kinds of breads, we've got all kinds of chips, as you can see here. If you don't want chips, we're a produce store, so we've got all kinds of fresh fruit and vegetables that we can add. The vegetables, we'll have lettuce, and we've got tomatoes and onions, red and white, sweet, of course. And it wouldn't be a Picklin Parson sandwich plate without a pickle, right? And this is some of my Lone Star beer pickles, and they're delicious. So there'll be a pickle and a cookie in all of these. Now let me say this, we're trying to build loyalty related to our sandwich club, and you can get a card. And for the month of February, we will clip out 2 sandwiches. And when you get 10, you get a free sandwich. So we're doubling your clip outs. You get 1 sandwich, we clip 2. So in February, when you buy 5 sandwiches, you'll get a free sandwich that will come to you. Now let me say one more thing about our sandwich club and about all of our Picklin Parson products, our Picklin Parson meats, that the profit for Picklin Parson products, whether it's one of these or a sandwich or a cookbook or whatever has the Picklin Parson brand on it, it all goes to a non-profit called Picklin With Purpose. And what Picklin With Purpose does is that we deal with food insecurity. We teach kids how to pickle and can. We work with other communities related to creating dignity models so that they can have a food club like we have here. We have hundreds of families that have signed up in the last 2 years who come in every day, and for $5 they can get $25 or $30 worth of produce. And we love that, and we love the way that this has been working for our greater community. So I'm going to invite you to come on Monday, and I'm going to be slicing up some of my pork loin charcuterie sticks, and you're going to be able to sample those when you buy a sandwich. So come on by, check us out, and remember, that the profit goes for others.